Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss about the kitchen ventilation system part 4. So after the end of this lecture you would be able to understand calculation for kitchen ventilation system as per ASHRAE method. So let's start. So here I have taken one question so you can easily understand the method. So in this question same, if suppose your stove dimension is given 750 by 450 800 mm, we have to find out the hood size, okay, length and width of that hood, exhaust air CFM, exhaust air duct size, fresh air CFM and fresh air duct size. Okay, so fresh air duct size and exhaust air duct size already I have discussed, okay, in the previous part. Okay, so here we have to solve this problem by using the ASHRAE method. Okay, second method we have to see it. So let's see. Now see the method second, how to do the kitchen ventilation system by using method second. So in that, if you know the stove length and width, so easily you will get the hood size. In method first we are using the formula to calculate the hood size. Here we don't need to use that formula directly. As I told you that for wall mounted, suppose if you want to install the wall mounted canopy hood, so for that overhang for side we have to give minimum overhang 6 inch, and for front side for full capture 12 inch. Okay, 6 to 12 inch we have to give the overhang. Suppose if your stove length is given here, uh, just I'm taking example, let's say 200 mm. Okay, so how you will get the hood size if length is given 200 mm? So it means uh, hood size is what? On left side you have to maintain overhang 150 mm, and on in right side 150 mm. It means the hood length is 2 6 2 200 and what, I have told you that length if you have taken 2000 mm or 200 mm suppose, so hood size you will got how much? 200 plus 300, 500 mm. Same thing if I talk about width, so here also we have to maintain the overhang for wall mounted how much? 6 inch on side, or for front to 6 to 12 inch. For full capture we have to take the overhang. So it will clear more when I take one numerical, so you will understand properly. Okay, and to find out the exhaust flow rate, here we have a formula. Fresh air flow rate same, 80% of that exhaust flow rate is our fresh air flow rate. But to find out the exhaust flow rate we have, now see here, to find out the exhaust air CFM, formula is given maximum among length and width in mm, okay, of hood into category in CFM per meter divide by 1000. Okay, so here what you have to do, first of all you have to calculate the hood length and width. So finally you have to check whichever is greater and whichever is maximum, that value you have to enter here. Okay, then category in CFM per meter. Okay, so this category value you will get from this table. Category means what? Minimum exhaust flow rate value. Okay, in CFM per linear meter of hood. So based on your cooking and which type of equipment you are using, suppose if you are using wall mounted canopy type of hood, so and if your cooking is light cooking, so for light cooking for wall mounted canopy wood, how much value you have to take? Minimum exhaust flow rate value 660 CFM per linear meter of wood. For medium cooking 990, for heavy 1315, for extra heavy 1800. Okay, so this value you will get from this table based on your cooking types, which type of cooking and which type of wood you are using. Okay, now see here the second method. First method, how to calculate all these things we have learned. Now with the help of second method, how we can find out the hood size and exhaust flow rate, fresh air flow rate. So for that, suppose here stove size is given, length of stove is 750 mm and width of stove is given 450 mm. Here we have to find out the hood size. Here don't need to use that formula because that formula we have to use in method first. Okay, in method second I will just explain you with the help of overhang which we have to maintain na? If you remember, I have told you that suppose if it is a wall mounted canopy, in question it is given, I think this is a wall mount, we have to design for wall mounted canopy hood. Okay, so for wall mounted canopy hood, on side how much overhang minimum we have to give, 6 inch, and for front 6 to 12 inch for full capture we have to maintain. So length is given, stove length 750, so 750 plus right side 150, left side 150, 300, 750 plus 300, 150, so you will get the hood's length 150. Now we have to calculate the hood width. So if you know the stove width, so finally we know that for full capture how much front side we have to give the minimum overhang, 6 inch. Suppose I have taken 6 inch, 150 mm, so 450 plus 150 mm, we got how much, 600 mm. So this is our, in this way we have to find out the hood size. Now exhaust flow rate, uh, how can you calculate this exhaust flow rate? So I have already shown you the formula to find out the exhaust flow rate. Maximum among length and width of hood into category, means cfm per meter, okay, divide by 1000. So for wall mounted canopy, and if it is a medium cooking, so value you will get 990, okay, cfm per meter category value. So you have to put that that value here in that formula, and maximum among length and width of hood. So here length of hood is maximum or width, length is maximum na, so we have to apply that formula 1050 into category 990 divided by 1000. So you will get the exhaust flow rate value 1390, 1039.5 cfm. Okay, next to find out the fresh air flow rate, we have a I have already told you as per ASHRAE how much, 80% of exhaust flow rate is our fresh air. So 80% of that, how much we got, 831.6 cfm. Okay, so in this way we have to find out the hood size and exhaust flow rate, fresh air flow rate. Okay, this is our method 2. So this is all about kitchen ventilation system part 4. So if this video is important for you, so please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video to your friends so they can boost their knowledge in MEP field. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.